Right, today we have these outdoor lights. These are perfect for those that are setting up in the garage or anywhere in your backyard. These are beautiful lights. If you guys can see it, they come in a couple different colors. Now we're gonna set this up and see what you get when you get something like this. So these fixtures are pretty good, easy to set up. They give you the screws, they give you the tie downs, and you pretty much need two cables to tie down, and it has a ground area too. So let's go ahead and set one up and see how it looks. Make sure you guys remove this prior to setting up the actual bowl itself. So make sure you do that. All right, during the day mode, this is the day mode. If you guys can see the day mode, there's not that much. It depends on the light bulb that you want to put in there. But let's go ahead and turn off the lights in here. Look how beautiful lighting it gives you, pretty much. If you want a higher voltage, put a bigger voltage of a light bulb. You can see that. Make sure you check out your manual prior to setting it up. But look how beautiful it is. Very simple. Couple of things to do. This is outdoor graded, so it's gonna give you some protection, especially with this cover on the top. You guys can notice. Look how beautiful it looks inside. Simple, easy to set up. Put it against your drywall, against any wood covering. This could go on stucco. This could be perfect for your garage. Could be for your backyard. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.